Classi Seal is the original self-adhesive upstand for shower trays and baths and has been recognised with industry awards in both the UK and Ireland. Winner of the UK Housing Product of the Year. Fitted to the wall-touching sides of a shower tray or bath before installation, it acts as a secondary seal when shrinkage and settlement would otherwise lead to leaks. For the perfect bond, the first thing to do is roughen and clean the surfaces where you're going to apply the seal. Then remove the backing paper approximately 100 mm at a time and apply the top of the adhesive to the top edge of the tray or bath. Firmly push on by hand. Classi Seal has an integral anti-stretch cord, which helps with fitting, especially around corners. After applying, manipulate the corners between fingers and thumbs to widen the upstand to ensure that tiling can follow unhindered. Once your shower tray or bath has been put in place, you can begin tiling or wall paneling immediately. To seal between the bottom of the tiles and the ledge of the shower tray or bath, we only recommend neutral cure sanitary grade 100% silicone, such as Classi Neutral Cure or similar.